Good day everyone, Alice here from Sophie Financial Network. Today is August 12th, 2022. I just came back from my vacation. I just miss you folks all, and I know that lots of you were waiting for weekly analysis last week. Sorry, I was so tired to put another analysis, but I'm coming back with a very longer one and comprehensive one. Okay, without wasting any time, let's go to the chart, see what chart tells us. Here is monthly chart for S&P 500, and we just I think we nailed it, folks. We nailed it, the bottom here. And for 2 months, I told you, if you follow up on my channel, my previous videos, I told you we are going back to have a nice summer rally, as we are into summer rally now. And this is a pivotal point for the market, and I would say very decisive one. I just want to go through again why I'm saying that, just because if you go to stochastic here, let me just close out the other indicators. I just want to make it very simple analysis for the monthly chart. Here is a stochastic, and this is a stochastic indicator for monthly chart. Very strong one. If we are in bull market, this is great signal for us, but if we are in bear market, it could give us like a 1 month 2 month rally and then falling back again to the bearish momentum. This is 2000. Year 2000, we had very sharp sell-off beginning of this year, 2000, almost 2001, and then a stochastic goes to oversold condition, crossover. For 2 months we have rally. Look at that. So here is December 2000, January 2001, and then hitting the SMA 20 on monthly chart, then sharp sell-off is coming afterwards. We didn't get close above this. Here is 2008. We had another crossover, nicely coming off SMA 50. For 3 months we have this nice bearish dead cat bounce to the upside, but just look at that, what happened. So market in May 2008 touched SMA 20, goodbye kiss to this level, and then free fall to the downside all the way to March 2009. So this is very important time. Here is another one. I just want to show you, we had the sell-off, market closed below SMA 20, but it didn't get to the oversold condition. The only single time we got to the oversold condition after these two periods are here. So we got oversold condition, nicely crossover for the monthly chart, months of July, months of August. We are positive now. This is just I think 5 minutes to the close of the market before a final closing bell. We just close above SMA 20 in monthly chart, but look what happened. We are at August 12th. We have 18 other days to follow to see if market can close above SMA 20. And I'm telling you, if market S&P 500 closes above SMA 20 on monthly chart, this is going to be very bullish signal for the market, and this can go all the way up. I would say for the longer term it would go all the way to here, to above 5,000, at least double top for sure. But if we don't close above this, I would say this is it, and the time is over for the bulls. We should veer and change our custom to the bear custom, and we should just get back to the bearish momentum to the downside. These are the levels. So be patient. Again, be careful. Watch out for this level. SMA 20 on monthly chart is very important. Just look at how August is going to be closed, and I'm giving you more updates down the road in the next following weeks as well. So we will watch this together. Let's go to the weekly chart. Weekly chart here, we are getting back to nicely overbought condition in weekly chart within bearish trend line. And I would say next week, I'm just expecting next week another interesting market to go into the upside, but I would say next week is going to, let me just clean this, and this is the area that I'm just pointing out. Probably next week is going to be, or next week, or the last week of the August would be the last month for the bulls in 2022, and the last 2 weeks for this rally as well. So this rally is substantial rally, and I just wondering, some people are saying about when we are getting more than 20% off the low, we are finished the bear market. I don't know who made this stuff, to be honest, but this is very, very silly stuff. If you just look at the history, 2008, 2001, we had some of the bearish rally or bear rally was 50%. Even in 2001, we have 70% in Nasdaq. But still, after that 70% rally, it goes down to another lower low. So don't get foolish with these stuff, okay? So there are lots of, I know there are lots of interesting things coming up in Twitter. I don't know, some people are just making some funny stuff. So don't follow them. Even if you follow them, don't follow them blindly. Watch out the chart, educate yourself, and don't rely on those comments as well. We are getting into this bearish momentum here, bearish trend line here, 42 to 4300, 43, 44, 47. That's going to be my ultimate target, which is coming along to this wide range bar, and this wide range bar cleaned out, undercut with this bearish candlestick here, these two bearish candlesticks there. So we are getting back-to-back tests to pick up some sellers orders here. That would be interesting to see if even we can have like a Pinocchio bar that I'm just telling to my to my students, basically, that probably we will just pierce through this trend line. But we need to close above this. We need to close above SMA 50 on weekly chart, and we need to close above this candle. Just look at that. This is 4400. And this 4400 is very, very important. If we close the month of August above 4350, 4400, I would say I'm not getting into the bearish custom yet, just waiting for more confirmation. But if we just touch this one, and the last week of August, we get a sharp sell-off, that would be it. That would be end of the story for the bull market rally, and that would be another setting up for the short side. All right, so let's go to the daily chart, and daily chart is very interesting as well, just because I want to show you something that I just pointed out. Here is the level that I'm just looking for. We just clean this one up. So basically we can go all the way up to here. This is a selling area, and I know that we pointed out this area cleaned out, so we can delete this. And right now this is market is going back to the decisive moment. This is the moment of truth, and to be honest, and if it goes above this trend line, as I said, 4318, 4400, that would be a strong bullish signal, and probably we are going back to 4600 and then double top, which is 4800. So that would be a possibility. I wouldn't short market now. I'm just waiting for more confirmation, and I'm not gonna be early into the market. If you want to be early to the market, you can use your put options because your risk is limited. But don't short the market without any confirmation. Wait for confirmation. You are not gonna lose anything, because if we take a short setup, I would say this is the potential downside, and that would be very, very aggressive one. Just look at that, how sizable this drop could be, and this can go all the way down to here to this W pattern, which is going back to September, October 2022. So I would say we are getting close, but we are not there yet. So even we can pierce through this trend line, that would be a possibility. But SMA 20 is there. This wide range bar, middle of this wide range bar is there. So again, I'm just waiting for next week. So what we should expect for the next week? Next week, I'm expecting we will have another bullish setup. Very, very volatile, choppy. And next week would be third week of the August. So third week of the August, probably bullish. But for the fourth week of the August, again, it depends on the next week price action candle. But for the last week of the August, I'm getting concerned right now, even 2 weeks ahead. So we will update you. I'm gonna update you later, but right now there are lots of optimism about the market. Lots of people are saying we are getting back to the all-time high, or the bear market is finished. No, this is not finished. And I just want to show you. Here is the RSI. I just rarely show this, but here is the RSI, and look what happened when RSI gets to this level. What happened after that? When the RSI gets to this level, what happened after that? So this is the daily, and RSI is getting to very, very critical overbought condition. And this overbought condition is going to be scary, to be honest, because whenever RSI goes back there in this overbought reading in daily chart, look what happened afterwards. Sharp sell-off. Even within the bullish trend line, it doesn't matter if it is bullish or bearish. Bearish is going to be more aggressive, but bullish is sharp sell-off, sharp correction as well. So look at that. This one, again, we will have another afterwards, like a very, very sharp drop here. Here is another one. So look what happened after that. Sharp sell-off, and then just a nominal all-time high, and then coming back down to the bearish momentum. And here is the level that touching to this area, and right now we are getting to extremely overbought reading in RSI along with this bearish trend line. So just be careful. Next week, probably first day or two, that's going to be very, very bullish. But
market data connection
when
lost.
you get to the last days of the week, probably that's going to be very, very important and interesting time for the short setup.
Market data connection re-established.
Okay, so I'm done with today analysis. I will come up with some analysis for individual stocks, Nasdaq and gold as well. So make sure that watch out those videos. If you like this video, please smash the like button. Subscribe to our channel. That's going to be the least support that you can from for our channel. And that's it. All right. Have a good weekend. See you on the chart. Bye bye.